The life expectancy of an African American male is somewhere around 70 years, which means I'm definitely on the back nine. This vlog will be a record of my journey to relearn fatherhood on the back nine. One evening last week, we were getting some pretty heavy winds when I got an alert on my phone telling us to head to the basement. Then the lights went out. When the noise stopped, we went outside to see what had happened.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the neighbor's grill.
Her slide is over in the neighbor's grill.
Yeah, I see one slide there.
There's one here.
Well. Okay.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Huh?
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh no! Ba!
Is it okay?
Ba! Whoa!
Whoa.
Ah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Bubble, bubble.
Yeah, Bubbles. It's okay. All right.
We were hearing reports that it may have been a tornado. All I knew for sure was that someone had rearranged my backyard. Baby Ella's new playset was tossed a solid 20 yards. My shed flattened like a pancake. The next day we were still without power, so I scored myself some food, attempted to save what I could in our refrigerator, and sent the family to Yeye's house so I could start picking up the pieces. I just need to file a claim. There was some pretty severe weather last night. We haven't confirmed whether or not it was an actual tornado, but the effects were the same. It destroyed some stuff in the back of the house. We have an awning on our patio that is absolutely decimated. We had a big play set in the backyard and a shed full of stuff. Both of those things have just been leveled, just gone. It's a strange feeling, looking out and seeing all your stuff just tossed away. It's an eerie reminder of how powerful nature really is. But it's also a reminder of what's important. Because not for 1 second during that storm did I say, I sure hope that snowblower makes it. And don't get me wrong, I like stuff. I like stuff more than most people, I'm guessing. But when push comes to shove, you can have all my stuff. It's the people I can't afford to lose. What do you think, Stinkerbutt? It's gone, huh? It's all gone. Yeah, it's your swing. We're gonna get you a new one, okay? We gotta get you a new swing.